highlight today, I'll be using the Smashbox Studio Skin 24 Hours Waterproof Concealer in Dark. That is what I use to highlight. And to contour, I'll be using the Superstay Maybelline Full Coverage. This is shade 375 Jiva. I will also put them on the screen for you guys to see, and that is what you see on my face right now. So I'm going to go ahead and blend this out. So I'm going to go ahead and use the dark eyeshadow, the one Tempting from the palette. I used it to smoke it out. So to set my entire face, you know why I'm laughing right now? My MAC Studio face fell and it broke. See, look at the cover, see? It broke and everything just, wasted. So I had to pour it in this one that is Colourpop setting spray. Is finished, but luckily I still have this bottle. So that's what I will be using to set my entire face, okay? So I applied the lipstick also by Estee Lauder. This one is called 350 Empowered. It's their Pure Color Envy collection. And this is the shade, how it looks like. Finger crossed. I hope this turned out right. You all saw it from the beginning, how I rolled, how I achieved it. And I'm about to unveil and see if I actually got a good result. Ooh la la. Oh my god. See? Look at that. I'm excited. Never ever have I done something like this before. Oh my god. See? Okay. Okay. Wow. Okay. So people, let me go ahead and take off the rest of the rollers, and I'm gonna go ahead and change into my outfit, and I'll be back on the camera to give you all the complete finished look. Okay. Like this look, okay? If you all want to see more of Get Ready With Me, please do leave me a comment down below and let me know your thoughts, and please subscribe if you haven't subscribed. Thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you all in my next video. Stay blessed. Bye bye.